Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech so you know exactly what's worth your money. Today, we're checking out the Bunog wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone. A device designed to transform your wired Apple CarPlay into a wireless experience for cars from 2016 and newer, and even motorcycles. First, let's talk design. This adapter is ultra compact, measuring just over an inch, which means it fits right next to your other USB ports without blocking them. Its small footprint keeps your dashboard neat and allows you to use multiple ports simultaneously, which is always a win for anyone who hates clutter. The metal edges and vented cover aren't just for looks, they help with heat dissipation, keeping the device running stable even during long drives or hot days. Inside, Bunog has upgraded the chip to an AI-powered version, promising smoother, faster connections and lower latency. Essentially, what that means is less lag when you're navigating, streaming music, or taking calls. Pairing is straightforward and doesn't require any extra apps or cables. You just plug it into your car's USB port, pair once via Bluetooth, and from then on, it connects automatically every time you start your drive. Compatibility is broad but has some exclusions. It works with iPhone 6 or later, running iOS 10 or newer, and supports most vehicles from 2016 onwards that have factory-wired CarPlay. However, it does not support MG, Chery, Tesla, or Android Auto. On the flip side, it's also suitable for motorcycles, offering a lightweight, cable-free solution for riders who want a clean, wireless setup. Overall, the Bunog wireless CarPlay adapter is aimed at anyone looking to ditch the cable without sacrificing reliability or speed. Its compact design, upgraded chip, and smart cooling system make it a solid choice for both cars and motorcycles. If you're tired of plugging and unplugging your iPhone every time you drive, this adapter could be exactly what you need. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe to Product Critique, and stay tuned for more tech insights and gadget reviews.